to this channel, and today I am going to talk about the error and the different types. So first, what is error? So error is nothing but mistakes in a program, often referred as a bug or error. So this kind of an error always fault of the programmer. Okay, so how to fix this error? So for that we need to use this kind of a debugging process. The process of finding and eliminating error we call it as debugging. So next one, the different types of error is there: syntax error, runtime error, and logical error. The syntax error which always comes when we build a program, that time that system will show this all this syntax error. For an example, misspelling a keyword, incorrect indentation, or missing a colon or comma. These are all comes under syntax error. Runtime error is, suppose if the program is syntactically correct, that is a free of a syntax error, but it will be able to run by the interpreter, but the program may exit unexpectedly during this execution, that we call it as a runtime error. For an example, suppose if your program is trying to access a file, if the file doesn't exist, then it comes under runtime error. So we can easily handle this kind of a runtime error by using handle exception method. In case if you don't watch the handle exception video, it's the top right corner, you can go and watch it, how to handle the exception. And then final one is logic error. Logic error is almost difficult to fix because the error that runs without crashing, because sometimes the mistakes is in the logic. So this kind of an error, as a programmer, they have to review the program and review the logic, then only they can be able to identify this logical error. For example, using the wrong variable name, or by making a mistake in a boolean expression. These are all the common kind of an scenario the logical error would occur. So that's all I have for today. Thank you all for watching this video. See you in next session. Thank you. Bye.